Welcome back to another video of Makwala Agri. I'm back in my chicken house. It's been about a week since I sold out all my chickens, and yeah, man, I was lazy to clean my chicken house, but today I'm here to actually clean this house. So we're gonna be cleaning our chicken house today. We are preparing for the Easter season market, so I'm gonna be cleaning. Next week we are having 200 chickens that are coming inside our chicken house. So yeah, let's get ready to clean our chicken house. So first thing that we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be taking out everything that is inside our chicken house. So we are now done taking the equipment that we've been using in the previous cycle. Almost everything is out, so what's left now is to take care of this chicken manure. We're gonna be using it to plant our crop, so it's used as a compost. The same bags that come carrying the chicken feed are the same bags that we're gonna be using to take out the chicken manure. So stay tuned as we take care of this chicken manure. So we are now done gathering our chicken waste together. So it's time to actually put it in our feed bags. So we're gonna put all of this load inside the chicken feed bags. So yeah, that's how we actually do it. So I'm with CPT. Don't remember to check him on his YouTube channel. He is more focused on crop, so if you want to know more about crops, check CPT the farm on YouTube. So I'll drop the link in the description below. So now we are loading our chicken waste inside our chicken feed bags. So if you look at the floor, our wood shaving does not stick to the floor because we put enough wood shaving on the ground. So you see, it's smooth, man. Even when you wanna sweep the floor after this, it doesn't need you to do a lot of work when you clean your chicken house. So it's important to put enough wood shaving on the ground, so that it makes it also easy for you when you clean your chicken house. So let's continue cleaning our chicken house as we take out all this chicken waste. So we are done loading up our chicken manure inside our bags. So now it's time to take all this bag outside And then we're gonna firstly sweep our floor and then put some water inside the chicken house, and then we clean and we are done. So let's take these bags outside so that we can sweep the floor now. Now that we are done sweeping our floor, we've taken out all the chicken waste, so it's time to mix our just fluid with water so that we can actually clean our chicken house. So I use just fluid to clean my chicken house. Sometimes I use Virokill, and then I also use jig. So but today we're gonna be using just fluid. So firstly I use my baguette to split around the water inside my chicken house. So yeah, I don't have a spray, so I was gonna be spraying the whole house using a hose pipe, but sometimes I just use a baguette to do those. So to clean my floor, I use they call it a scrub broom. Yeah, I think that's what they call it. So you can get it at the hardware. I think it's around like 250, 200 something. But this one, it was given to me by my grandfather. So yeah, I use it to actually clean my floor with it. It works very perfect. So I advise you guys, if you want something to clean your floor, just get one for your farm. So when you build your house, you must also make a drain. So how you make a drain, you check the level where your water end up on. So you put water in your chicken house and you check where all your water goes to. So you actually check the flow of water in your chicken house, and then that's where you put your drain on, so that it makes it easy for you to drain all the water when you clean your chicken house. So that's my drain. And after that, when I drained out the dirty water, I then put fresh water by using a hose pipe, and then yeah, I continue by cleaning the floor as I take all the water out.